In this lecture, you will learn two more things of Extrude feature. First is auto fillet corners and using caps and of Extrude feature. So start our lesson now. We have an open sketch like this. You can draw it, exit from sketch and select this sketch and select extrude. From extrude, we want to make a thin extrude of thickness 5 mm. And extrude depth is 50 mm. Then use auto fillet corners. If we don't use auto fillet corner and go OK, there will be sharp edges as you can see. But if we use auto fillet options, these sharp edges will be removed and a radius of defined value will be executed. We have checked auto fillet corners and defined radius of 5 mm. Okay. You can see that a fillet radius has been applied without using fillet tool. So auto fillet is an important feature of extrude. Use it where you need it. And next option is using extrude with end caps. We have a rectangular sketch of these dimensions. Exit from sketch now and select sketch. Go to extrude and make a thin extrude. So we make a thin extrude of a depth 400 mm with a definite thickness. You can see the ends are opens. This is an open end and this is also an open end. We want to make these ends should be closed. First approach is to make these ends closed using making a sketch on this surface and then extruded it. This is the manual approach, and other approach is using extrude end caps. So just go to extrude thin and edit. From thin feature, you can see here is cap ends. Select cap ends and here define the thickness of cap ends. Let's suppose it is 5 mm. You can see that both ends has been closed. And this block is hollow inside with overall thickness of 5 mm. Check it from section view. So using end cap, so we can close the end of open ends of extrude thin feature, and using auto fillet we can apply automatically fillet to an extrude thin feature. I hope you have picked concept of these both tools. Please make a practice and we will see you in next lecture soon. Take care. Bye bye.